Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is May the 19th and today's short show is my butterfly garden. Okay, here's the butterfly garden. I planted this with a wildflower and perennial mix last year, and this year I've only planted a few things in it. Let's see. This had the daffodils. That was some daffodils. The stalks are still growing. These, I have no idea. They were in the wildflower mix. They're very pretty and very fragrant. Look at that, isn't that amazing? So it looks like those did very well. I haven't really put this bed in very many of my garden tours, just because it's more flowers. I did plant a few things. As you can see right there, some borage, the bee plant, coming up. Oh, there's some pretty flowers too. Oh, and I got an apple tree right there in the middle that I planted from seed. That has grown about a foot this spring already. So this is its second growing season, and I did transplant it there, so that stunted its growth a little bit, but I'm expecting it to take off this summer for sure. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.